everyone, welcome to my channel, and if this is the first time watching, welcome to you also. Look below, you will see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Now, losing weight is very hard. Getting rid of belly fat is even harder. Today I have a belly fat water for you. Now this water is gonna help you to get rid of your belly fat, especially that visceral fat, which is known to be the stubborn fat. Now belly fat can be very problematic for most people because it covers most of your vital organs. Now having all this visceral fat covering your vital organs could lead to serious health conditions such as diabetes. Now you really do not want to continue with this big fat bulging. You want to get rid of it, and I have a very quick, a very simple and easy recipe for you today. This is a fat burning water. You're going to be drinking this water right throughout the day. It's very refreshing, it's sugar free, and before you know it, your belly fat is going to be shrinking. It's going to help to detox the body. It's also going to help to hydrate the body, and it's going to help to speed up your metabolism. So if you're interested in this fat burning water, then continue watching. To make our belly fat water, you're going to need a few things such as a strainer. You're also going to need a jar for storing your water, and you're also going to need a blender for blending. We're using two ingredients, and the first ingredient is celery, and this is fresh celery sticks, and our second ingredient is lemon. If you do not have lemon, go ahead and use some lime. So now I'm going to show you how to prepare this belly fat water. I'm first going to prepare the ingredient, and I'm going to prepare the celery stick. I'm going to be blending the celery stick, so I'm going to chop. And they don't really have to be small depending on the power of your blender. After chopping the celery, I'm going to blend. Here is the celery, and I'm going to pour a cup of water on the celery for easier blending. Here is our celery after blending, and now I'm going to strain. You want to strain this in the container that you're going to be using for storing the celery. If not, just use a wide open bowl and then you pour it in the container. So now I'm going to strain. Now celery is 95% water. It both hydrates and cleanses the body at the same time, eliminating toxin and fluid retention within the body. Celery also contains vitamin K and mineral like potassium and sodium, as well as vitamin B1, B2, B6, and it also have antibacterial properties, eliminating infection and toxin. So here is the celery juice, and this is about 2 cups of celery juice. So next I'm going to move on to preparing the lemon. And for this recipe, I'm using 2 medium lemons. Now always remember to wash your lemons properly. I wash mine in water and vinegar. Now that my lemons are rolled and juicy, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to squeeze them directly in my jug. In order to prevent the seeds from falling in, I'm going to also strain the lemon juice. So now I'm just going to cut the lemon and I'm going to go ahead and juice. Now, lemons contains vitamin C, vitamin B complex, calcium, iron, magnesium. It has a wide variety of health benefit. Now, lemon water is great for boosting the immune system. It's also aid in digestion. It helps with fat loss, and it's also help your body to digest any other vitamins that you might be taking. But most of all, lemon helps to flush out the toxin in your body by enhancing enzyme function and stimulating your liver. Okay, so that's some of the many reasons we use lemon water. So this is the lemon and celery juice combined, and I use 2 cups of celery water to about a quarter cup of lemon juice. So now I'm gonna pour water on this, and you can add the amount of water you want according to your liking. If you like it strong, you add less water, but if you like it a little lighter, then you add more water. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add about 6 cups of water. And here is our fat burning water. Now you can choose to have this water right throughout the day, sipping a little at a time. It's very refreshing, and you can choose to make enough to last you at least 3 days. Just keep it in your refrigerator. So here is our fat burning water. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, leave your comment, and if this was your first time watching, subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.